Hey everyone, it's Miss A. One of our last lessons, which it may possibly be our last lesson. I haven't quite decided what our last 2 days of school are going to look like. But I know for next week, from the 11th through the 15th, we are going to be working on discounts. And I felt like this was probably um, one of the most helpful tools to learn, um, because it's something that you will, be using throughout your entire life. I know I'm very much of a bargain shopper myself, so getting stuff on a discount is awesome. So being able to calculate that when you're shopping in a store, like, what's 30% off of this jacket, or what's, 25% off of these pair of shoes. So I thought that this would be a helpful tool for you guys. Also, um, I'm on the worksheet and have it really small on the screen right now because this is what you guys see whenever you log into the Google slide that I attach. It comes up very, very tiny. Now I worked with a student, and they didn't realize that there's a way to zoom in to the screen. And they also didn't know that you need to kind of click on a box before you can start typing. And that kind of solved their problem with not being able to type in the assignment. So I don't know if this is going to solve everybody's problem, but I thought at least I'd show it because some people might be running into this problem, and this may fix it. Sorry, it's kind of late because we're at the end of the school year, and I'm just now showing you that. But I guess I didn't realize the confusion until just recently. So what you're going to do is you're going to take, your screen looks like this right now when you click into the assignment. To get it to zoom in, go up to where this magnifying glass is at with the plus sign in it. It's got a little arrow down next to it. You click on it, and you can click it to 100%. Okay, so it zooms it in. You can scroll, all that kind of stuff. And then you can't just start typing. Like you can't just start typing into the worksheet because it doesn't know where to type, where you're wanting to type. So if you go to, like, say, number 1, there's 4 different blanks here, and I put a text box on each one of them. If you double click, well, right now you get the blue box, but you still can't type anything. But if you double click in there, you'll start seeing the cursor kind of blinking. That will allow you to start typing. So you can type, like, if you're turning it into a decimal, the 10% would be 0.10. Okay, start typing in there. And then you just move on to the next one. Okay, you double click on that one, you type that one in there, and so on. Okay, so I don't know if that's going to help any of you guys, but I thought I'd just kind of put it out there. So each one of us, it has its own individual text box that you're going to type in. But please let me know if you run into any issues. Okay, so the first part of this is we're going to go to the top of the worksheet, and I zoomed in so it's easier for you guys to see too. When things are sold for less than the regular price, it's known as a sale. So during a sale, a percentage of the regular price is taken off. The amount taken off is called a discount. To figure out a discount, the percentage or percent is changed to a decimal fraction and then multiplied times the regular price. And I'll kind of show you how to do that. So the example that they gave you, and most of you guys are going to be using a calculator, but this is if you wanted to write it out. $28 basketball is on sale for 30% off. Well, first of all, you've got to take the 30% off, or the 30% that they give you, and you need to put that into a decimal form. And to do that, you're always going to go to the left. Okay? So right here on this one, you don't have a decimal. There is no decimal. So you assume the decimal is behind the 0. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do this. It'll be a little bit easier to do it on a separate screen. So, for instance, if I had 30%, okay? Sorry if my handwriting is not all that great. I'm using my finger to write on my screen. You don't have a decimal on this one currently. So, you're going to start at the back end of the number. Okay, so you're going to go there, and that's where your decimal is going to go. Okay, so then it becomes 0.30. And that's what you're going to be putting into the calculator. So going back to that worksheet, that's what they got, 0.30. So they took the $28, they times it by 0.30, and they ended up with $8.40. Okay, that's not the answer. You're not paying $8.40. That's the discount. That's the 30% off of the $28 of the basketball. Okay, so you take that $28, which was the regular price. You take the discounted price that you got, the 30% off, which is $8.40, and then you subtract that together and you get $19.60, and that's what you'd be paying for that basketball with the 30% discount. Okay, so we'll work through this first one together. So I kind of showed you this is what you do with the percentages. I give you 4 questions with that. You got the first one for free if you watch the video, and then you just have to do the next 3. So for this next section here is how I'm going to show you how to do the first one, okay? So the shirt is $47. So I'm going to go back to the screen over here. And I'm going to erase this and start with a new. And we'll write it out, okay? So $47 is the shirt, okay? And they said that it was a 50% discount. I know some of you guys would probably just divide it by 2 and get your answer, which you could. Oh, my bad. So $47, and then you have 50%, okay, as a percentage. Okay, well, you got to first take and put the 50% into a decimal. Okay, so you go 2 to the left because there was no decimal in there. So you got 0.50. Okay, so it is $47 times 0.50 equals, go to your calculator, $47 times 0.50 gives you $23.50. Okay, so right here, you're going to put $23.50. And then you're going to take the $47, subtract the $23.50, because that was the discount. The $47 was the original price. You subtract those. Again, sorry for my handwriting. So you're taking $47 minus $23.50 gives you $23.50 because it's half off. So there you go. So your answer would be 23, and then now I'm trying to use my mouse and it's making a disaster. Okay, so $23.50 is your answer. Okay, so that, there you go. So the discount, I already gave you the discount, was $23.50. So you're going to put the discount in there, the amount. And then the sale price is also $23.50. And my bad, I should probably put the $sign in front of it. So I'll put that on there. Okay. So from there on down, you're going to put the percentage into a decimal. Okay. And you're going to times that by the original price. Whatever you get for that is what you're going to put in the discount line, because the discount line is not what you're paying. It's the amount that you're taking off of the original price. So that's what's going to go in here on this line. And then you take the original price minus your discount, gives you your sale price. And it just happens to be that that first one is 50% off. So, there you go. So, just to kind of show you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Let me know if you need any individual help. I can always call and we can kind of work through it together. But I thought that this would be a helpful skill for you guys for life to teach you about tipping, when you're out at dinner, and also when you're out shopping. So I thought that that would be something helpful. But definitely reach out to me if you've got any questions. I am here to help. All righty. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.